Hi everyone! Super easy Catalan starter, pan con tomate. If you translate to English, basically toasted tomato bread. We need obviously toasted bread, garlic, yeah. But the main ingredient, I would say, so tomato. For this, here in Catalonia, we use a special type of tomato para pinjar. You see, they are not growing like this. It's just way to keep them. And this tomato we use only for pan con tomate. Thing is that this tomato inside like a paste. Skin of tomato is quite thick, but inside is like a cream. And so we are going to do next. So toasted bread, any type of bread could be fine. Then you are going to take clove of garlic, and even you don't need to peel it. So you're just going to cut it like crosswise, so like this, yeah. And then you are going to wrap your bread with garlic, so just like this, yeah, easy. Even if you like garlic, so you can do it on that side. There we go. Our Spanish garlic is super strong, super flavorful, and smell I have around here is amazing. So garlic first. Then, so next step, we're going to take tomato, and I will try to pick up the most ripe tomato from this. All of them, they are ripe, but just I wanted to choose the softest one. Yeah. So tomato looks like this. Yeah. Then I'm going to cut this tomato crosswise, so this way. Let me do it. And then I will squeeze. I will squeeze all this meat and juice of tomato inside bread. And finally, in my hand will be just tomato skin. All meat and juice. Basically, inside this tomato, just almost just only juice. Yeah. So this is first. Looks like this. Yeah. And then next and last step, we're going to take extra virgin olive oil. Better to have it good quality, like this, and to top your toast with oil, quite a lot. It's like kind of like, yeah. Then next step, to help oil to enrich the bread, I'm going to make holes to distribute oil around all your bread, and finally your bread becoming super soft, super juicy. Yeah, so this is it. And then, so basically that's it. And then it's typical to eat it any type of dry meat. Here in Catalonia we have varieties of delicious dry meat, like for example chorizo. I'm going to top my bread with chorizo. Then piece of jamon, of course, so like this, yeah. And then just to finish all this nice composition, piece of fouet. Yeah, and to eat just like this. Of course, should go with wine, so Spanish wine. I love tempranillo, and I'm going to soften a little bit of tempranillo. So here we go. So bite of bread. And sip of wine. Cheers. See you later.